Hello everyone. Today, we're going to take a look at the case of building a school smart gallery. The school we visited today is Daewang Elementary School in Buyo, Chungcheongnam-do. When you enter the main entrance of the school, you can see the first smart gallery on the left. The screen is 1000 mm wide by 700 mm high, and it will mainly showcase the lively children of Daewang Elementary School. The smart gallery we are introducing is made up of a screen picture frame and a beam projector made of screen paint. Compared to LCD displays such as TVs and monitors, they have the disadvantage of being difficult to design and install, but they have the advantage of not generating heat, being safe from breakage, and being free to be shaped in terms of proportion and size. If you look at the opposite wall, you'll see a smart gallery with unusual proportions of 770 mm wide by 880 mm long. The screen is made from a beam projector, so we were able to customize it to this particular size. The unusual part is that the smart gallery is actually a switchboard cover. It's a screen that opens with a little push, so it's easy to open and close, making it easier to manage the switchboard. Now let's go up to the second floor. The staircase going up to the second floor also has a smart gallery. This is one of the largest smart galleries we've seen today, with a screen board measuring 2130 mm by 1230 mm. We're told that it was quite a challenge to set up the projector and power the stairwell. The large size is great for displaying large paintings, but in the future, it can also be used as a space where children can show off and show each other the paintings they have drawn with generative AI. We are also planning to launch a painting service using generative AI with our partners soon. The last smart gallery is located in the left corridor on the second floor. The screen, which resembles a window, is 1060 mm wide by 740 mm tall, and will be upgraded to a digital window that recognizes and responds to the location of the students watching. I've been playing content on the window-like design, and it looks quite realistic, so I'm sure the students will love it. I'll have to come back later after the winter break to see how they react. The 4 smart galleries introduced today are all operated by Windows-based PCs, so you can freely apply and use them. You can also build it with a CMS solution that is easy to operate and manage remotely, so you can use it according to your purpose. The above is a look at the 4 smart galleries built at Daewang Elementary School. We look forward to building them in various locations in the future, so we ask for your interest, subscriptions, and likes. Thank you. Happy New Year!